Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make OBS export to your desktop instead of the file called videos. So the first thing you want to do is open OBS and then go into File, then go into Settings, then go into Output. Then by default it will be on videos like so, but you want to go into Recording Path and change it. So you want to go on Browse, and then you want to select Desktop, then press Select Folder, then press X, and then you want to press Yes when it brings up this window here, so you want to save the changes. And now, as you can see, I'll just make a small video. It should appear in the bottom here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it worked for you. If it did work, please consider leaving this video a like and subscribing, as it really helps me out as I'm trying to grow my channel. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.